Hello, brilliant learners! If you want to sound more like a native speaker when you're hanging out with your friends, this video is for you. We're going to dive into phrasal verbs, slang, idioms, and everything you need to know about spending time with friends in English. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about some phrasal verbs that natives use all the time when they're spending time with friends. All right, so hang out is one of the most common ways we say we're spending time with someone, and you can use it with pretty much any place. You might say, I'm hanging out at the mall with my friends, or we're hanging out at a party tonight. It's casual and it's just about enjoying time with others, often without anything special planned. Just chilling together. I'm just hanging out with some friends at the mall this weekend. I'm going to hang out with Mark at his birthday party later. We're hanging out at the park later. Chill with somebody at a place, at home, at a park, at a cafe. This has a more laid-back vibe, similar to hang out, but it's often used for more relaxed settings. I'm chilling with my buddies at the bar. I'll just chill at home and watch TV tonight. We're chilling at the beach all day. Meet up for an activity. Meet up for a workout. Meet up for a coffee. Meet up for a walk. Meet up for a study session. At a place, at a cafe, at the gym, at the park. When you get together with friends at a planned time and place for an activity, let's meet up at the coffee shop later. We should meet up for a workout session tomorrow morning. Let's meet up for a walk in the park after work. Catch up with somebody over an activity, over drinks, over dinner, over lunch, at a place, at a restaurant, at a bar, at a cafe. This means to talk and reconnect, especially after not seeing someone for a while. You usually catch up over an activity like dinner or drinks. Let's catch up over drinks this Friday. Or I'm catching up with an old friend over lunch. It's about talking and updating each other on your lives. We need to catch up soon. It's been ages. Go out or hang out. Let's break it down real quick. When you go out, you leave the house to do something fun, like go to a restaurant, club, movie. We're going out to dinner tonight. If you hang out, you chill. You might go somewhere, you might not. It's just being together, talking, watching stuff, eating snacks, doing nothing. Hang out doesn't mean swinging from the ceiling like Spider-Man. Why call it hang out? Like clothes hanging on a line, just there, not doing much. That's the vibe. Did you know hangout is also a noun? Yep, you can say a hangout to mean a place where people meet and chill. This cafe is our favorite hangout. Let's see how to invite friends casually and respond naturally using phrases native speakers actually use. Wanna grab a coffee later? A casual way to suggest meeting for coffee. Hey, wanna grab a coffee before the next lecture? Are you up for hitting the movies this weekend? A relaxed way to ask if someone wants to go to the movies. I'm bored. Are you up for hitting the movies tomorrow? Fancy a drink after work? British slang for do you want a drink? Often used when inviting someone for a casual drink. Fancy a drink after work? There's a new bar nearby. Let's catch up over lunch, suggesting to meet and talk over lunch. Catch up means to share updates after not seeing someone for a while. We need to catch up over lunch soon. Are you free to hang out this afternoon? Asking if someone is available to spend time together. So, your friend invites you out. How do you say yes without sounding awkward, or politely say no without killing the vibe? Let's check out how native speakers actually respond to invitations in a chill, natural way. I'm down. I'm down. I'm down. Yes, but no. Slang for yes, I'm interested, or count me in. Wanna go hiking this weekend? I'm down. Let's do it. Can I take a rain check? A polite way to say not now, but maybe later. Wanna watch the game tonight? I have to study. Can I take a rain check? I'm swamped this week, but next week works. I'm extremely busy now, but available later. Swamped means overwhelmed, like being stuck in a swamp. I'm swamped with work this week, but next week I'm free. Natives love to use idioms when talking about fun times with friends. Let's look at a few. Hit the town, going out to have fun, often in the evening. We're hitting the town this weekend. On the town, to be out and about having fun, often in a city. We had a great time on the town last night. Have a blast. To have a great time. We had a blast at the concert. Let your hair down, relaxing and having fun without worries. You should come out tonight and let your hair down. All right, let's dive into some advanced phrases you can use to take your conversations to the next level. Imagine this role play. You're talking with a friend at a quiet cafe. They're opening up about something that's been on their mind. Your friend says, I've been grappling with a career switch. Did you catch that? Instead of saying struggling with, they used grappling with. This adds a lot of emotional weight to what they're saying. Now, here's how you can respond. Imagine saying, that sounds heavy. Wanna unpack it? It shows you're offering to dive deeper into their feelings, showing you want to discuss it more. When you use unpack in this context, you're talking about discussing an issue or situation deeply, or try, I'm all ears. This means that you're ready and eager to listen. It shows you're fully engaged in the conversation. You had a great time, but now it's time to head out, and you want to sound cool and natural, not like a robot. Here are 3 casual ways to end the night. I gotta bounce. Okay, don't say that to your boss or when you're talking formally. I gotta bounce, guys. Early morning tomorrow. Let's link up soon. Let's meet up soon. This was fun. Let's link up soon. That was a blast, meaning it was super fun. Wow, that was a blast. Let's do it again next week. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.